Hey everyone, join us along on this journey as we meet up with the rest of the crew from the East Tennessee Overlanders for their 4th annual winter trip ride on the Kentucky Adventure Trail. We're in for some wet, rainy weather this weekend, and it could get really cold. Stay tuned and see what happens.
All right, guys, just pulled up to S-Tree Campground, and the gate is closed and the campground is shut down. Lack of funding from the federal government. All right, well, we're trying to figure out plan B. We're gonna grab some lunch and wait for a phone call and see which way we're heading. They're gonna go check out Turkey Foot Campground and see if it's open. If not, then we'll be going to Wildcat Campground. What y'all eating?
I'm a butter jelly right and bread sandwich. And my brother had the same thing.
That was good? Awesome. There's the balls. What's up, baby?
Just making sure everybody's happy.
There you go. Got some soup. That's how we do it. It didn't take long for other rigs to show up. We ended up staying at S-Tree Campground. Everybody found a spot and settled in for the night. What are we cooking, Mama?
A zucchini tomato frittata with a little twist, adding some antelope meat.
Antelope meat, nice. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that. Smells so good. Does it smell good, Logie? All right.
I don't know.
That was good. How was it, babe?
Well, it didn't exactly go as planned, but it's still good.
I gotcha. Getting a little chilly out here.
Salt on there.
What do you think?
Good, but it's still hot.
It's still hot? Okay. Man, what a mess. Come on, focus. Focus. Alright, guys. Everybody's packing up this morning. It's raining. Last night we got 5 rigs here. And then down the road here we got another 5 or 6 rigs. And as you can see back here, everybody's getting packed up, getting some breakfast. So we're heading to Turkey Foot this morning to meet up with the rest of the group, and then we'll end up at Callie's Campground tonight under a winter advisory as well. 1 to 3 inches of snow tonight, so it's going to be a fun day. It took us about 2 hours to go from S Tree Campground to Turkey Foot Campground to meet up with the rest of the crew. After a quick driver safety meeting, we all got in our rigs and headed out.
Hey Kurt, please step back just a little bit there, please. You make me a little nervous.
Quit living on the edge.
There's like nothing stopping you here.
I'm a married spoke.
Just a little bit.
Good?
I have no idea. I'm trying to figure out what I really need to hit.
Oh, Rob.
Huh?
Just bang.
I know. It's cheap. That's what you gotta do. I've been hitting various places. I don't know if I've managed to separate the two or not. So I'm
So
trying to
the
look and
TLC.
actually maybe use a little bit of intelligence before I go hit anything else. I don't know. I've smacked it a bit here, a bit there. May have fixed it, may not.
No problems. We got back to asphalt and we had a short drive to Callie's campground. Alright, so we made it to Callie's. It has been a nasty, wet, soggy day of riding, but a lot of fun. Getting some dinner going. What are we cooking, Mama?
Beef stroganoff.
All right. Good morning. Good morning, Luke. How'd you sleep, buddy?
Good.
A little bit of snow? Awesome, man. What up, Chad?
22 RE in the background.
How you doing, buddy? Sleep all right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Had 2 buddy heaters and a catalytic heater. I was sleeping good.
Good, man. So you heading home?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, good morning from Callie's Campground. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night. It's about 20 degrees. It's cold. So, Crux trailer's holding up great. Kept us warm and dry. So, I think we're gonna load up. We're gonna load up and get out of here. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram, please do that.